Hello friends, so today's video is going to be very special for you because today I am going to talk about Realme Oppo handsets, and many complaints are coming in the comment section on both these models. So today's video is only for Oppo and Realme viewers, which is very valuable. So you just follow with us and unlock your Oppo and Realme Android phone. You just here you just have to watch this video till the end and without a skip, then you can understand the whole process and you can unlock your Android phone. So let's start the process. So as you can see that the handset that I have is pin locked, and you can see the emergency call button on the screen. So first we have to press on it. After that, I am going to give you some Google FRP code, and this is most important things I am going to share you. This Google FRP code, it may be support in many handsets, but may not be support in many handsets. So first, just to confirm in my comment section. So just note down for this Oppo and Realme viewers, just to note down, or you can take the screenshot of this code and apply on your handset. Now you can see a star has 6008 547 a star triple eight and hash and apply call button. Minimum 5 times you have to call. You can erase this code and apply a star hash 899 and hash. You can know very better because I am applying this method in all videos. So there are, now you can see Gmode page is open, and there are so many options is coming. So first check your after sales device calibration, confirm here and check your software version, mainboard version, whatever. First check your Android version or mainboard version. So my Android version is 12, so I am pressing here 12 time. After that you come back and check, go in manual test and last option others option, and check your database version or mainboard version here also. So first we have to apply 12 time call, press here, you have to press here on 12 time and check redirect important test log test. And now you can see wrong password is coming. It means our pin pattern is reset, finger face lock is reset, and without loss of data. After completing all the process, it's turn to press the home button. So I'm going to press the home button and watch what our phone is unlocked or not. First we have to check. So my friend, our phone is unlocked without application or data. I think your phone is also unlocked. So just confirm in my comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share.